In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage expenses using QuickBooks, an essential process for keeping your finances well organized and your business operations running smoothly. Whether you're a small business owner or an aspiring bookkeeper, understanding how to handle expenses effectively is crucial. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to QuickBooks by heading over to the official website and logging into your account using your credentials. This steps you right into the heart of your financial management tools. Once you're logged in, you should see a menu on the left side of your screen. This is your main navigation panel where you'll find the Expenses section. Go ahead and click on Expenses to access all your financial transactions. Within the Expenses section, things are organized into tabs. You'll want to click on the Expenses tab that's right there. This displays all your existing expense reports and transactions, making it easy to track and manage your business spending. With the Expenses tab open, you can click on an existing transaction if you need to update or review it. Clicking here opens a drop-down menu, revealing more details about that particular transaction. It's like peering under the hood to see what's making your car run. Next, you'll want to focus on adding new expenses if that's part of your task today. To do this, click on the Expense section. It's here that you'll input new spending information, ensuring every penny spent by your business is accounted for. When recording a new expense, make sure to select the appropriate payee. This may be a vendor, supplier, or any entity to whom you've made a payment. It's critical because it ties your expense to the correct person or business in your records. Following this, choose the payment account used to settle the expense. This could be your business checking account, credit card, or any other account from which the funds were withdrawn. Selecting the right account ensures that your balances are accurate and reflect real-world expenditures. Another essential piece of information is the payment date. Input the date the expense was incurred or when the payment was effectively made. Keeping your dates accurate helps maintain your financial timeline and ensures your books are up to date. For the payment method, many times, using cash is straightforward and easy to track. However, if you used a credit card or another method, make sure to select the accurate option. Next, if applicable, input the category details. These relate to the type of expense incurred, like office supplies or travel. If you don't have category details, you can proceed directly to inputting the item details. Now it's time to fill in the specific item details. This involves listing what was purchased, including quantities, pricing, or any additional information that explains the expense. This clarity helps in future audits or financial assessments. Once everything is accurately entered, you're ready to wrap things up by clicking on Save and Close. This final step ensures your work is documented and stored within QuickBooks, making it easy to retrieve and review whenever necessary. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to manage expenses in QuickBooks. With practice, these steps will become second nature, enabling you to keep your financial records in top shape.